The carpet's now been removed. I've never seen it under the floor, so it's, you see, this is all here and further back, right further back, it's very bouncy, so the joists have rotten, totally rotten. You can see where the floor is compared to where it should be. All down here too, all down here too, all down there. First time today I actually found out that this moves. When I pulled the carpet up, it actually moved with the carpet. That board there is to hide a hole. That's the carpet. You can see the state of it, so I don't want it. I'll have to cut it down. Well, I'll get a little knife and it'll rip, and then I can put it into the incinerator and burn it. And then I just need to remove all this, stick that in the bin. So that's it so far.